I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by disconnecting the battery negative terminal and waiting 5 minutes so capacitors discharge and the cluster won't short. Once done, remove the dash trim with a plastic pry tool. You want to avoid scratching. Next, peel back the instrument bezel and remove the 3/4 visible screws using a T10 or Phillips and a 10 mm socket for any mounting bolts. Make sure to keep screws labeled and grouped so reassembly is fast and error-free. You now unplug the cluster connectors by pressing the release tabs and pulling straight back. Take photos to record orientation. Once unplugged, remove the cluster housing screws and tilt the cluster toward you to expose the circuit board. Carefully desolder or pull the LED modules. Note polarity markings on the board so you install new LEDs correctly. If using RGB modules, test colors with a bench 12V source or inline resistor first so you avoid burning the new LEDs. You finish by reinserting the cluster, seating screws, and reconnecting every harness. Then attach the battery negative terminal. Turn the key to accessory and watch for the gauge sweep and new color. This confirms proper connection. If you see flicker or no light, make sure solder joints are solid, connector pins are clean, and check the instrument fuses, commonly fuse #9 or #10. Once stable, reattach the trim, torque screws snug, and take a short drive to ensure gauges behave normally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.